thing I'm known for is my honest opinion of products that I try. Well, I've got a product to review here, so let me tell you what I think. Hi, everybody. Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And as you can tell from my intro, I do all kinds of videos on all kinds of products. I do hauls from different stores like TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree, anywhere I go, Goodwill, thrift stores. Well, occasionally I get asked to try a product from a company. And I always tell them I'll do it, but I will give my honest opinion. Not going to get any fake, oh, this is great from me, not into that. So today I got a product and I wanted to quick share it with you. It was from a company in China, but I think it's sent by a manufacturer in the States. And let me pull this up for you because I've got a lot of goodies to tell you. It is called Tinya, Tinya. And what they sent to me was a box. Let me go back on my page. It's called Xin. I'm assuming Xin, Xin, Tianya Wedding Invitation Gift Box. Now, do you ever wonder where a lot of the companies get boxes from that are so cool? Like some of the perfume boxes. They're a nice texture to them that makes you want to save the box because I can use to save things in. Well, this company apparently provides those types of boxes for various companies. Now, let's see. It says their description. When you need a convenient and easy packaging solution, these magnetic gift boxes offer the perfect solution for your needs. Order the custom box packaging from Xin Tianya. The heck, give it a try. Well, I opened the box because I wanted to make sure that's what was in the container I came. And here it is. This is supposed to be a wedding. Oh, I just dropped closed from real nice quality satin ribbon. Okay, how do we do this? If I've got to put it together. I noticed that they even have boxes like, when you get candy and, like a See's Candy or a place like that and has all the little slots for all the different types. They make those kinds of boxes too. Now, it looks to me like I folded it up somehow. Well, I should do this in front of you. Here's how it looks. Totally flat. Looks like you just pull it up. What is this? What do I do with this side? Well, you know me and try to figure things out. Does that work? Maybe this one. I pull this. Oh, okay. I pull this one side first. Then I do that side. Okay, pretty easy. Pretty easy, even for me. So there we have it. That was pretty darn simple once I figured it out. So then your lid closes. And how do the... It's supposed to be magnetic. It looks like there's little magnet things in there, but... Oh, yeah. Just had to push them a little harder. I was pushing the wrong spot. Well, that's pretty cool. See, there's the name of it. So like I say, they labeled it like a wedding box, but I think this can be used for any occasion. Then I guess you take the ribbons. Let's see what we do here with the ribbons. Probably put it through. How do you put it through the holes from the inside? One thing they could use is a directions. Not that I would understand them, but it looks like you slide the ribbons through the holes. This is where it will be interesting. I'm not good at tying ribbons. So let's see if I just try to do a regular bow. These would be perfect for like people who are starting up new, like gift subscription boxes. And you want to have a box that people will remember and will want to use again. Well, I'm not good at tying bows. Some of you are probably better at this. I'm sorry, company, but I don't know why you picked me. Let's see if I do it the regular bow way. But it looks like you can have your own company name. Oh, there we go. That's much better. Your own company name put on the box. See? Like if I wanted to send out a whole bunch of stuff from Grandma Bev, like maybe have it made to say Grandma Bev. But it looks like they've got quite a few companies on their site that use, let's see, these products that they advertise. It's a paper folding gift box. Okay. There's a folding gift box, Orange Elegant Wholesale. So they suggest that maybe you get those little thingies and put them in for packing. Well, here's the one I just did. Hey, it looks just, whoop. It looks just like what I did. That's pretty good for me. Well, if I can do it, anybody can do it. I mean, look at that. That's just how I did it. Huh. They've got gift boxes for wedding favors, that kind of look like, they stand up like a bag. They've got all different ways to customize your box. Well, here's a cute one if you wanted to put stackables. They've got like shirt sizes, that you can send things that are shirt size. Oh, here's a cute one sorry for the glare. Oh, and they've got some of these other types. So they sell these wholesale. But I think they'd be great for somebody just starting up a new subscription box company. What the heck? What do I think of it? I like it. What can I say? I'm not going to lie. I do like it. What should I use it for? I'm going to continue it. I mean, some of the subscriptions that I subscribe to, when I've been getting them, some boxes that I don't throw out. I save them, label them with different things. Well, this is a box that if it came to me, no way I would throw this out. Really sturdy. I can't really tell you what they cost. So, like I say, this is just a review. Well, thank you very much for asking me to review your product. I'm happy with it. At first I wondered, why do they want to send me a box? A plain old flat empty box, and I don't, well, okay, send it, but I'm going to be honest, and I am honest, and I do like it. I do. That could fit in the motorhome great. So, tell me what you think. Comments below. Share with your friends, especially those who maybe have businesses that they're wanting to order products for. Like, subscribe, and I'll put down below who you can contact if you want to, contact them to see what kind of a quote they'd give you for the type of box that maybe you're looking for. So, hope you're all having a terrific day. I love you. Bye.